DSA, a tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure. Unlike arrays or linked lists, which store data linearly, trees organize data in a parent-child relationship similar to a family tree or a file system. Key terminology. To understand trees, you need to know the specific language used to describe them. Node, the basic unit containing data. Root, the topmost node of the tree, it has no parent. Edge, the link or path between two nodes. Parent, child. A node directly above another is the parent, the node below is the child. Leaf, a node that has no children, the ends of the branches. Height, the number of edges on the longest path from a node to a leaf. Depth, the number of edges from the root to a specific node. Common types of trees. 1. General tree, a tree where a node can have an unlimited number of children. This is used to represent hierarchical structures like folder directories. 2. Binary tree, the most common type in DSA. Each node can have at most two children, typically referred to as the left child and right child. 3. Binary search tree, BST, a specialized binary tree with a specific ordering rule. The left child's value is always less than the parent. The right child's value is always greater than the parent. This structure allows for very fast searching, similar to binary search in an array. 4. Balanced trees, AVL red-black. These are self-adjusting trees that ensure the height remains minimal, preventing the tree from becoming a skewed line, which would make it as slow as a linked list. 5. Heaps, a special type of tree used for priority queues. A max heap ensures the root is always the largest element, while a min heap ensures the root is the smallest. Tree traversal techniques. Since trees aren't linear, we need specific ways to visit every node. This is where the recursion we discussed earlier becomes vital. 1. In order left, root, right, often used in BSTs to get data in non-decreasing order. 2. Pre-order, root, left, right, used to create a copy of the tree or get prefix expressions. 3. Post-order, left, right, root, used to delete a tree or get postfix expressions. Real-world applications, file systems, how folders and files are organized on your hard drive. HTML DOM, the structure of a web page. Routing tables, used in network algorithms to find paths. Decision trees, used in machine learning for classification and regression.